Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix sorry you have been blocked error for any website. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to open system settings. Once when you're here, you have to click general and then software update. Now make sure that you're using the latest software version. A minor downgrade is okay, but if you're using a very outdated or a very old software version, then make sure you upgrade it to the latest one. So the next thing that you need to do is you have to open Google Chrome and then log into your Chrome. And then you have to click here on these three dots, and then you have to come here to extensions and then manage extensions. Now here you have to make sure that all the extensions that you're using are updated, are relevant, and they're not causing any sort of problem with your browser. If you see an extension causing a problem, then you can remove that extension from right here. The next thing that you need to do is you have to open up a new tab, and then you have to click here again. Then you have to come here to settings. Once when you're here, you have to click privacy and security, and then you have to click here on clear browsing data. Here you have to make sure that all time is selected from this time range box, and then you have to check all these boxes, and then you have to click on clear data. The next thing that you need to do is you have to come here to about Chrome, and then you have to make sure that the version of Google Chrome you're using is the latest one. So that was it. These are the steps that you need to do to fix the error. I hope this video was pretty helpful to you. Please like and subscribe the channel for more. Thank you for watching this video.